Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Jeep Compass. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. This Jeep has less than 62,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door, locks, stability control, and traction control.